How to add stickers in Filto app. Want to make your editing more fun and creative? Let's quickly learn how to add stickers in Filto app. Open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Import the photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. Once it loads, look at the bottom toolbar, tap sticker. You will see tons of sticker options, emoji style, cute graphics, shapes, and fun icons. Browse through and pick your favorite sticker. Tap on the sticker to add it to your project. It will appear on your photo or video instantly. Resize or move it by dragging or pinching with your fingers. You can place it anywhere you like. You can copy the sticker by tapping the overlapping square. And here's a pro tip. Combine multiple stickers to tell a fun story or highlight cool moment in your photo. And that's it. You have just added sticker into and made your editing way more lively. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more quick editing tips. Catch you in the next one.